Chapter 7. The World of Birds. Let's learn feathers. How does a bird fly? Flying habits of birds. Migratory birds. Nesting habits. Parental care in birds. We see many kinds of birds around us. Birds are unique creatures because all of them have feathers. Birds breathe faster than any other animal. Their heart beats faster and their body temperature is higher. Feathers. The body of a bird is covered with many feathers. These feathers are of three kinds: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. Flight feathers are usually found on the wings and the tail. They help the bird in flying. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the bird's body warm. Down feathers are found in newborn birds. Body feathers cover the bird's body. They give shape to the bird's body. Info Hive. A sparrow has about 3,000 feathers in summer, but as many as 3,500 in winter to keep it warm. A swan has more than 25,000 feathers. What makes a bird fly? Have you ever wondered why birds can fly while we cannot? Birds have special features that help them fly. Let us learn about them. Birds have two wings. They have strong muscles to move the wings. These muscles are attached to the breastbone. These are called flight muscles. The body of a bird is shaped like an aeroplane. It is broad in the middle and narrow at the two ends. Such a body is called a streamlined body. A streamlined body helps the bird to cut through the air. Birds have strong but hollow bones. Hollow bones make their body very light. A light body is helpful in flying. Since flying needs much energy and strength, a bird has a very efficient heart that supplies blood continuously to all parts of the body. How does a bird fly? A bird flies with the help of its wings. When it starts to fly, it flaps the wings up and down gradually and goes high up in the air. In the air, it stops flapping the wings and spreads them out. In this position, it goes on gliding in the air. The bird makes two kinds of movements with its wings during flying. These movements are called upstroke and downstroke. Upstroke lifts the bird's body in the air. Downstroke helps the bird to come down. Info Hive. There are around 10,000 different species of birds worldwide. Flying habits of birds. Birds have different flying habits. Most birds fly, but there are some birds that do not fly at all. They are called flightless birds. Migratory birds. Some birds fly very long distances. They fly from one country to another country due to changes of weather conditions and in search of food. Some examples are Arctic tern and Siberian crane. Nesting habits. Birds build nests to lay eggs. They choose places which are safe from enemies and bad weather. Birds use material like twigs, dry leaves, cotton, wool, feathers, hair, pieces of cloth, paper, and pebbles to build their nests. The eggs are laid in the nests. After some time, the eggs hatch and baby birds come out. When the baby birds are big enough, they fly away. Most parent birds also leave the nests. They build new nests when they have to lay eggs again. Info Hive. The ostrich is the largest and the heaviest living bird. It cannot fly, but it can run at a speed of 70 km per hour. The tailor bird. The tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with material like thread and wool. That is why it is called the tailor bird. The nest is made cozy with cotton, wool, hair or dry grass. Info Hive. The cuckoo does not make its own nest. It simply lays its eggs in nests of other birds and leaves them to be hatched by the host birds. The weaver bird. The weaver bird makes a beautiful and strong nest with twigs and grass. It weaves the grass in and out rapidly. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters its home through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. The eagle. Birds like the eagle and the vulture make nests by gathering a few sticks and simply putting them together in the shape of a shallow cup. The woodpecker. The woodpecker pecks a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. To make its nest cozy, it lines the hole with chips of wood. The penguin. The penguin collects a few pebbles and stones to make a nest on the ground. Info Hive. The largest eagle in the world is the Steller's sea eagle, which weighs 5 to 9 kg. Parental care in birds. When the nest is ready, the female bird lays eggs in it. Both the male and female birds take turns to sit on the eggs to keep them warm. When the baby birds grow fully inside the eggs, they break the eggshell and come out. The coming out of the young birds from the eggs is called hatching. The baby birds are very weak. They have no feathers. Their eyes are closed. They need the care of their parents. The parents bring food for the baby birds and feed them with their beaks. The baby birds grow very fast. They develop feathers in a few days. Then their parents teach them how to fly and how to find food. The young ones of hens and ducks have feathers when they come out of the eggs. They start running the moment they are born. Info Hive. The world's smallest bird is the bee hummingbird. It weighs only 1.6 grams. Recap. Birds are the only creatures that have feathers. Every part of a bird's body is suited for flying. A bird makes upstroke and downstroke movements with its wings during flying. Birds build nests to lay eggs. Parental care is highly developed in birds.